Hi, you with Kansas Home Guys. We're down here in Hayesville today, and I just bought this house. Owners obviously took advantage of our leave your junk behind offer, which we are more than happy to deal with the junk. We're going to take a walk through this house and see what else they left us. This is a really nice neighborhood, good, beautiful, large house, and just really needs some cleanup, a little bit of updating, and we're going to make this thing look beautiful again. This is our upstairs. Kitchen cabinets look like they're in pretty good order. Just probably do the usual cleanup. Living room, nice big living room. We will be tearing out the floor and replacing it. So you got 3 bedrooms upstairs, 2 full baths. So our cleanout crew definitely has a task ahead of them. Probably be able to get all this done with one dumpster.